Hey, it's Erin with LaCkore Couture, and today I'm going to give you the ultimate guide on how to clean your gold jewelry. But before we get started, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. All right, so we all have gold jewelry in our jewelry boxes that have definitely seen better days, but don't worry, because in this video, I'm gonna go over some really kind of common household cleaning products that you can use to give it that little something something and add a little sparkle to your gold jewelry. Before I tell you all the different ways that you can clean your gold jewelry, I do want to recommend a couple things not to do. So the first thing that you should never do with your gold jewelry, if you have gold jewelry that has diamonds or any type of stone set in them, do not boil with hot water, because this will loosen that setting and most likely the gem will fall out. Another great tip not to do is definitely do not use vinegar on your jewelry unless you know it is 100% real gold. If you use vinegar on gold plating or gold filled, it could discolor the metal. So you definitely want to make sure that it is 100% real 24 karat or real gold. If you're going to go with beer as your cleaning method, make sure you do not use like a dark beer, because it can actually stain the metal. Lastly, I would not recommend using any household cleaners on most gemstones. The only ones that are safe to use them on would be diamonds, rubies, and sapphires. I want to make sure you do not damage your stones. So now we're going to talk about all the products you can use on your gold jewelry to clean it. And obviously the number one thing is a jewelry cleaner. Most people have them. It's like a little container. Get them for a few dollars on Amazon. I can go ahead and link one in the description below. But it's a cleaner that's specifically designed to clean your jewelry. If it's gold, silver, whatever, they make different ones, and that will ensure that there will be no tarnishing or any issues with your stones. But if you are like me and you don't have jewelry cleaner and you want to use one of your household products, keep watching. So this is my easiest and favorite way that I clean my gold jewelry, and this can be applied for real gold jewelry along with gold plated jewelry. So this is like a really good method for your fine jewelry, your everyday wear. And basically what you're going to do is, everybody should have some like Dawn soap at home or dishwasher soap. You're going to take dishwasher soap with warm water and you're going to put your jewelry in there and let it sit for 20 minutes. After that 20 minutes is done, you're going to pull your jewelry out and you're going to scrub it with like a little soft, clean toothbrush just to get in all those little nooks and crannies, and your jewelry should be sparkling. Okay, the next method we're going to talk about is vinegar, which you may not have heard of this before, but you can use white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, and you are not going to dilute it with water. You are going to fill the cup maybe like an inch, depending how much jewelry you have. If you have a ton of jewelry in there, you're going to need more vinegar, but you want it to fully cover all of your jewelry. Now, vinegar, again, should only be used with real full gold, okay? So you do not want to use this on your plated pieces. It will tarnish it. But after about 15 minutes, you can pull it out and just take a nice gentle cloth on there, wipe off your jewelry, and you'll be good to go. So most of us have baking soda in our refrigerators for whatever reason. I seriously don't know. But this is a great cleaning product that most of us have that you can use to clean your gold jewelry. What you're gonna do is take a 1/4 cup of baking soda, mix that with 2 tablespoons of water, and it's gonna create like a paste. Now take that paste and you're gonna cover all of your jewelry with that paste. Let it sit, and then you're going to wipe it all off, and it's going to make your jewelry shine just like you. So this method I've never used before, but I think I'm going to try it now that I'm recording about it. So you can actually use beer to clean your jewelry. That's right, beer. And like we talked about earlier, I wouldn't use a dark beer, but you can use a light beer, put it onto a cloth, and then wipe your jewelry down with the beer, and it will clean it up. I'm kind of excited about that. I may try that. Hopefully some of these tips were helpful for you guys. Like I said earlier, my favorite way to clean my jewelry at home is just using Dawn soap with warm water. I always have it because I always got to clean dishes, and that's pretty much my favorite way. But let me know if you try any other ways and leave in the comments below so I know which way is your favorite. And if you want to check out my jewelry and other videos, check out the links in the description below. Help support the channel. If you want to keep learning about all things jewelry and fashion, make sure you subscribe and check out one of our videos above me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.